So my friend Chris from Decompositions Corpse Creations was commissioned to make some corpse mic stands for the band The CONVALESCENCE. Look at those gnarly bastards. He documented the entire creation process for these, so let's check it out. This is what the assembled mic stand looked like before the corpsing takes place. So obviously you start with a mic stand. Then to cover the mic stand, Chris used 1.5 inch PVC. It's about a 5-foot section with a cross piece at the top. And there's a smaller piece of PVC to run through the cross piece. You got your 5-foot skelly right there. Then you have 3 sets of legs and a bag of skulls as well. Don't forget your zip ties and some plastic drop cloth, and you're ready to rock. All right, so Chris starts off by sliding the 5-foot section of PVC over the mic stand. Then gets his 5-foot skelly, gets him into the spot that he wants, and zip ties him into place. Don't be afraid to use those zip ties, yo. All right, once he has the placement, he's going to screw it into the PVC. Remember, you can never have too many screws when securing this thing. Now he gets skelly into his metal pose, yo. Zip tie and screw into place. Now he looks secure. Next he gets that head in the right pose. Give it a little tilt. It's time to add in the extra sets of legs. Give it some character. Then he rips open that bag of skulls and adds those too. He gets them lined up in the desired spots and first secures them with the zip ties. I got 2 up top, and he's going to add 1 in the middle here. Getting them secured with the screws. Everything looks in place, and these 2 skellies are ready for corpsing. So to start out this section of the process, Chris grabs some thicker sections of plastic, and he covers the joints of the skeleton. He's going to continue this process for the entire mic stand. He's going to keep adding on plastic and melting it. Adding on plastic and melting it. Always make sure that you wear a mask like Chris, or if you can, corpse in a highly ventilated area. Unfortunately, it was freezing balls outside during this, so the garage door had to stay closed. Chris will get these things pretty thick looking with either a double or triple layer of plastic. It's a time-consuming process, but it's worth it in the end. Now you just keep corpsing and corpsing and corpsing some more. They want to hit up spots like around the skull to bring out all the details. Ends up making the piece look really cool. Once complete, your mic stand is looking like this. Maximum coverage. Next step is to paint the entire thing black with a flat spray paint. Want to make sure you cover the entire piece with this black spray paint. And once that is all dry, it's time to dry brush it with a mixture of colors. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and some of this. Watch these details pop when Chris adds this layer with the dry brush. Nice. This thing is looking more metal by the minute. So next, Chris moves on to adding some teeth and eyeballs to this thing. Like the extra use of that hot glue there. This thing's looking gnarly. So eyeball action there. So next he goes in with another dry brush layer of some parakeet green to highlight some of the layers. Not the whole thing, just some of the parts there. Look at that. Once that one's complete, Chris moves on. He finishes the second stand while he's got the dry brush going. Add some more teeth and eyeballs to this baby. It's time to add another layer of some real red acrylic paint and some perma blood. Now that's looking pretty meaty and grotesque. Nice. So the last step here, Chris is going to cover both stands with some exterior clear gloss. Going to give it that wet, shiny look while also sealing everything in. This is just an over-the-counter brand you could pick up at Home Depot, I believe. I think these things came out pretty damn dope. Oh yeah, that baby's looking absolutely gnarly. I think it's just about ready for delivery. Chris also added a light in the inside and a light on the front of the stand. Give it a little color effect. I think he'll definitely have one satisfied customer.
Yeah, man, this is killer. These will be a little more durable than what we were using too.
I was hoping so, yeah. So you guys got some critters now. Uh-oh. Hello. I just snuck in.
Nothing left to do but shove some metal up your ass.